Good morning, students. Now exercise 5.3 10th sum. Yes, here. Show that A1, A2 dash 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 AN from an AP where AN is defined as below. So AN is equal to what is there? 3 plus 4n. This is the second question. AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms each case. Each case we have to find. So here two questions are there. First we will do first question. 10th bit first question. What is their first question? AN is equal to 3 plus 4n is given. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n given. Now we will find what? S15, sum of the first 15 terms. S15 is the question mark. This first question also we will find S15. Second question also we will find S15. This first did means second also same style of question. So first we will try first question. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So this n value you put one time 1, one time 2, one time 3 like this. So n is equal to, I am taking put the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3 dash 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 you write. First I am taking n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 taking means first I am writing the equation. What is the equation? AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So n value I am writing 1. First equation. 3 plus 4 into 1. A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 ones are 4. So A1 is equal to what is the answer? 7. First number is the 7. Next A2 we will take. N is equal to we will take 2 taking means second term you will get. Again write the formula. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So I am taking n value is the 2. N value 2 means 3 plus 4 into is equal to 3 plus 4 to the 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So second term is the 11. Again we will find one more. N is equal to 3 we will take. N is equal to 3 taking means write equation. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. So is equal to 3 plus 4 3 is a 12. 12 plus 3 how much? 15. So here what is the first term is the 7, second term is the 11, third term is the 15. So first term is the 7, 11, 15 dash dash dash. So here this is also in A pit. So first term is the 7. So A is equal to what? 7. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 11 minus 7. What is the answer? Difference how much is there? 4. You know the A, you know the D also. Now you easily can find S15. Sn is equal to, I am doing here see. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now what is the question mark? S15 is the question mark. See here. S15 is equal to n value is the 15. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 into 2 into A value is the 7. See here. A value is the 7. 2 into 7 plus N value is the 15 minus 1 into D value is the 4. Now simplified means you will get 15. So 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 15 minus 1 14. 14 fours are 14 fours are 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, 56. This full simplified means you will get 56. So now see here 15 by 2 into 5 plus 4, 10, 5, 6, 7. It is a 70. Cancel possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. 15 into 35 means you will get the answer. S15 answer. I will do here see 15 into 35. 15 into 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. Next 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 1, 4. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So 15 3s are 45. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next 4 plus 1, 5. So 525 is the answer. S15 is the 525 is the answer. You observe here. First one substitute, you will get A1. 2 substitute, you will get A2. 3 substitute, you will get A3. So 7, 11, 15, this is in the AP. AP you know means A is the 7, D is equal to 4. So SN formula apply, S15 asking. So you applied means you will get answer 525. In this question, one more question also is there. That is also same style is there. We will do. So what is second question? AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. We will do here. Second question, 10th bit. Second question. Second one, what is there? See here, AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. So first n value one time take 1, 2, 3 taking means we will get the 3 terms of the AP. So n value I am taking 1. 1 taking means A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. A1 is equal to 9 minus 5. What is the first term? Is the 4. Next we will do second term. Second term means what we will do? AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. N value I am taking 2. 2 taking means 9 minus 5 into 2. So 9 minus 5 to is 10. What is the answer? Second term minus 1. Big, small number to big number minus, answer you will get negative. So minus 1. Now n value I am taking 3. 3 taking means third term you will get. Here A2. Next AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. A3, third term, A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. So 9 minus 5, 3 is 15. 15 means you will get which answer? 15 minus 9 is 6. But big number sign is the minus. Minus 6 is the answer. First term is the 4, second term is the minus 1, third term is the minus 6. I am writing the AP. What is the AP is there? See here, 4 minus 6, minus 1. And third term is the minus 6 dash 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 going on. Now see here, using this one we can find A and D also. A is equal to what? 4. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 means minus 1. A1 means minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. A is equal to 4. D is equal to minus 5. Now we have to find what? S15. S15 we will find means I will do see here. Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We will find S15. S15 means 15 by 2 into 2 into a value is the 4. A value is the 4 plus n value 15 minus 1 into d value is minus 5. We will simplify it means we will get the answer. 15 by 2 into 2 4s are 8 plus 15 minus 1 14. 14 into minus 5. We will simplify. See here, 15 by 2 into 8. We will remove the bracket. Plus into minus. Minus 14 5s are. 14 5s how much? 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5 6 7. 70 minus 70. So 4 plus into minus minus 15 5s are 70. We will simplify 15 by 2 into what you will get? 8 minus 70. Small number to big number minus. So 70 minus 8 how much? 62. Which 62? Minus 62. Now cancel possible. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. So 15 into minus 31 you did means you will get the answer. I will do here multiplication. See, 15 into 31. 1 15s are 15. 3 15s are 45. Here plus 5 6 4 plus into minus minus 465 is the answer. See here, this is the answer. Same type of question. So n put 1 you will get A1. 2 putting means A2 second term you will get. N is equal to 3 writing means third term you will write, you will get. So you will get the AP 4 minus 1 minus 6. First term is the A. Second term is A2 minus A1 you did means you will get minus 5. Now you write Sn formula. S15 apply means you will get the answer. I hope you understood, I think. Done.